Oh shit, tired like a dog.
The man who now.
Yeah, she breed. We only walking about 33 minutes now.
The man, you're like, you walking since 12 o'clock.
Well, right, just 33 minutes past 12. Well, after 1. Anyhow, the time go come on the video.
You're like.
Not she.
I can't make it no more. Levan, we stop right here now.
Come on, Nadia.
Levan.
Come on.
I can't make it. I'll be rolling back down there like
She real sad now. We ain't even reaching the way yet and she was just going on.
Levan, I have a headache. Levan, help me now, I'm sick.
What's Santi Luces?
I don't fancy Sheila. I have a real bad headache. I'll never forget to see. As long as I live, my head gone. I was in the song of my history book. I had to tell Kelly, I had to tell she grand, she and she great grand. Everybody has to know about the day, crime in the bush and I know they dropped them. I have a headache on the right now. Very good. If I were too much bush down so. Oh. Even how long again? Huh?
About 20 minutes.
Even, why better we just come and bathe in the bathroom, right? And put some mud and some in your backyard. I really tired, you know, my head hurting me, boy. All the sun and good for the human body. And the sun.
You see the kind of work I gotta go through, she?
What work you talking about? Ivan. Tell me, will you stop out water from in that sun?
Yeah.
Watch how deep this is, Ivan. Watch. Wait! Watch this. So this small thing is oh, good. Oh, look at reach. It's nice though. When I did, then I go and hold on them thing and then pick it out.
It's worth it?
What?
It's worth the walk?
Yeah. You can wake up the house down here and sleep.
You good now?
Yeah, I'll build a house right here, so one morning I'll see what I can do right here. I'm going to
You see how nasty she is? You see how nasty she is?
Water is not meant to bathe with, you know, water is meant to cook with. That's why all of us run out of water down in here, down south. And all they're pumping out of the water. In center, oh, good.